Hey there, English explorers! Welcome back to another episode of Advanced Ears from mksenglish.com, the website that helps you understand fast, real world English one step at a time. Today's topic is super important: how to improve your listening speed. Have you ever felt like native speakers are speaking too fast? Sorry, let me repeat that. Have you ever felt like native speakers are speaking too fast? Like you can't catch the words even if you know the vocabulary. You're not alone, and today I'll show you how to fix that. Let's get started. When native speakers talk, we connect words, drop sounds, and use a natural rhythm that can be hard to follow. Improving your listening speed helps you do these things: understand native level conversations, pass listening exams like TOEIC or IELTS, watch movies and shows without subtitles, and also join conversations with more confidence. And here's the good news: you don't need to listen faster. You just need to train your brain to process what you hear more efficiently. And we're going to work on that today. So let's go through 5 practical tips you can use right away to improve your listening speed. The first one is shadowing. I hit on this before, so I'll put the full shadowing video link in the description. Today we're just going to look at a shortened version. In shadowing, you should repeat after a native speaker as quickly as you can. This builds both your ear and your speaking rhythm. Try this. Choose a short clip, maybe 10 or 20 seconds. Listen once, then repeat out loud with the speaker. Do it again and again until you match their speed. Great sources: YouTube interviews, TED Talks, or audiobooks. And of course, mksenglish.com videos. Also, use podcasts like this one. Start slow, listen at a slower speed, then gradually increase to normal speed, and eventually maybe 1.25 speed. This step-by-step process helps your ears adjust. And a pro tip: use podcast apps with speed control, like Spotify or Apple Podcasts. I believe YouTube also has it. Tip number 3: listen to the same audio multiple times. First, listen for general meaning. Second, listen for keywords. Third, listen and read the transcript together. Fourth, turn off the text and listen again. Each of these rounds trains your brain a little more. Tip number 4: chunk listening. With chunk listening, we break down long sentences into chunks or phrases. For example, I'd have gone if I'd known about it. Wow, that's pretty fast, huh? So let's break it down. We can break it into chunk 1, I'd have gone. Chunk 2, if I'd known. Chunk 3, about it. I'd have gone if I'd known about it. I'd have gone if I'd known about it. I'd have gone if I'd known about it. Practicing chunking helps you understand phrases, not just single words. And tip number 5, which is a pretty important one: don't translate in your head. This one is tough, I know, but try to think in English while you listen. Focus on ideas, not word-by-word translations. The more you do this, the faster your brain gets at following real conversations. Okay, so now let's go over a few activities you can try this week to improve your listening speed. Activity 1 is called 5 minutes a day. Choose one short clip, like a TED Talk or, even better, this podcast. Listen to it every day for 5 minutes. Each day, focus on a different goal. Day 1, general idea. Day 2, details. Day 3, repeat and shadow. Day 4, transcript reading. And day 5, no transcript, just listening. Activity 2, movie line training. Pick a scene from a movie or a drama. Use the subtitles once and only once. Then, turn the subtitles off. Try repeating the lines as fast as the actor says them. You'll train both listening and pronunciation. Activity 3 is called Listening Bingo. This is kind of fun. Make a bingo sheet with common phrases or sounds like gonna, kinda, you know, uh-huh. Then play it while listening to a YouTube interview. Mark off the phrases as you hear them. It turns listening into a game and helps you notice fast, natural English. Oh, and one last thing. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. It's true, even native speakers sometimes miss things. It's not about perfection, it's about practice and progress. So be kind to yourself. Celebrate small wins and, of course, keep listening. All right, so let's review. To improve your listening speed, you need to shadow native speakers, adjust audio speed, repeat and reread, listen in chunks, and also think in English. And don't forget the activities: 5-minute training, movie line practice, and listening to bingo. Stick with it, and in just a few weeks, you'll feel your ears catching more and more. Thanks again for listening to mksenglish.com's Advanced Ears series. If you found this episode helpful, share it with a friend or another student. See you next time, and until then, keep your ears sharp and your English strong. Bye.